and I don't like what I'm doing right now. Okay. Hello and welcome back. Today's video is going to be a quick little eyeshadow tutorial of this look here, a kind of pastel pink and purple Valentine's Day inspired look. I used the Morphe 35I ICY Fantasy palette today. Loved using this palette. If you like what you see here today, then please keep watching. And if you're new here, my name is Jackie and I'd love to have you join the family. Subscribe on your way out and let's get right into it. This hair is not... What is going on with this part? I might be the worst at parting my hair. Let's get this out of my face so I can do some makeup. All right, let's go in with this gorgeous palette. All right, let's dabble into these pinks and purples for another Valentine's Day look. But this time we're going for more pastel rather than bright and bold. I'm gonna start with this very, very pale, it's like a peachy nude shade. Just dust that all over my lid real quick. Make sure everything is nice and set down. Now I'm gonna go in with this guy right here and put that all over the crease. All right, now that I've got that color nicely in the crease, I'm gonna take it and kind of pack it in the inner corner area, kind of on like this inner half of the eye. Now I'm going to take this pastel purple color, keep that on the outer half of the lid, and then kind of blend that out into this back part of the crease and then up to the brow bone. I'm going back in with that pinky shade as well occasionally, just to make sure it's blended out as I'm going. All right. Now I'm gonna take this silver shade, which it's really more just like a glitter. Like it's a, I guess, the pressed glitter, but it's really just like glitter. Like I don't really think it's more of like a glitter gel. You can see I was messing with it earlier, trying to figure out what shades I wanted to use. But I'm gonna go in with this and I'm gonna concentrate it on the center of the lid, but then let it kind of like sparse out into the other two shades. Just gonna make sure everything is nice and blended. And then for inner corner and brow bone highlight, I'm gonna go in with, let's go in with this guy right here and put that on the inner corner brow bone. Do I want to do a wing? I think I do. I'm gonna take the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid liner that I love and just create a very small wing. Nothing too dramatic. I'll be right back, I gotta fix this. Alright, well, my wing went a tad more dramatic than I was going for today, and these lashes took forever to apply, but it's fine. I did use a pair of Kiss lashes that I'm just trying to use up because I don't know what they are, and I'm trying to use them as like practice wearing lashes more often. And then I also used the Essence Lash Princess Mascara and the Too Faced Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick in Holy Chic. Alright, well that completes today's video. Hope you enjoyed watching me create this pastel with some glitter and intense liner Valentine's Day tutorial using the Morphe 35I ICY Fantasy palette. I've been loving playing with this palette. It has so many gorgeous shades, and it's such like a different type of palette with all the pastel colors. I feel like it really forces you to get out of your comfort zone, be creative, and come up with new ideas. And as someone who loves playing with makeup, that's perfect. Also, of course, the pigment and the blendability is really there. But thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you liked what you saw here today, please subscribe to my channel. I post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can also follow me on Instagram at JSanchezBeauty, where I try to post just about every day, but sometimes life gets in the way. Thank you again for watching. I really appreciate it. Hope you have a wonderful day, and hope to see you back soon. Bye.